What's up guys, really exciting news. Samsung just made the Galaxy A80 official. So yeah, the launch event was in Bangkok and Samsung first started talking about how Galaxy A series is important, and then without any delays they just announced the brand new first ever Samsung phone with sliding and rotating cameras, the Galaxy A80. Now Galaxy A80 comes with a 6.7 inches full screen panel. There is no notch or holes. It's full infinity screen with in-display fingerprint sensor. So that's something impressive, and the best part is you're also getting the best selfie shooter cause it's just the rear facing cameras. But in the same thing, Samsung also showcased how this thing is gonna work, and that's pretty quick. I think it looks cool. Now there's 3 cameras, that's 48 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, and the interesting part is there's 3D depth sensor like there's in the S10 5G. So along with the best display, you're also getting the best cameras. Well, that's not all. There's another exciting news for you all. You are getting the latest Snapdragon 730 SoC with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. By the way, there is no expansion of micro SD card slot, and that's fine. 3700 milliamperes of battery with 25 watt super fast charging, and that's insane. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy A80 sale starting from 29th May, and you will see gold, white and black color options. So this is really amazing smartphone guys. I really want this one in my hands right now. Along with the A80, Samsung also made all the Galaxy A series official for the global markets, and that also includes Galaxy A70, A50, A10, A20, A30. So just like this. Okay, so the moment you all were waiting for, the pricing. A80 is priced at 649 euros, and that makes it after conversion 50,000 Indian rupees and 731 US dollars. So let me know your thoughts in the below comment section on the A80, its pricing and the design. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Peace out.